So this is my latest project on my Glowforge. It's a Living Hinge wooden bowl, which I decided to make for myself for my coffee pods. I used a wood stain, mahogany wood stain from Furniture Clinic here in the UK. Bought some testers from them, so I thought I'd try it out, and I went with the darker wood. I tried the rosewood, and I like the mahogany too, like a red wood in my office. So this is the cutting process. I've sped this up quite a lot because it does take much longer than this. It was 25 minutes in total, but there's only cutting involved. There's no engraving or anything on this one. I could have added some engraving if I wanted to. I could have personalised it, but I thought I'd just go with a simple bowl for now, just an experiment. And this design was put together by someone on the Glowforge Community, and he shared it with everyone on the community, so I thought I'd use it. I thought it's a fantastic design, so kudos to him. I'll give him a shout out in the description. Most of the people in the community are from the US. There's not many Glowforge users in the UK as far as I'm aware, so I am trying to grow that and trying to reach out to people in the UK who have a Glowforge, who want to get a Glowforge. They are fantastic machines. I mean, there are other options you can get in Europe and the UK, but after so much research, 5 years almost of desiring one of these machines, I'm still plumped for a Glowforge because it just ticks all the boxes that I wanted. So I'm really pleased I went for it, and I'm still learning, I'm still growing. I just love watching it, I find it really relaxing. I've got my room set up so my desk is right next to my Glowforge, so when I set a project up and hit that glowing button, I can sit and watch it and just chill out for a bit. And often, like with this, I'll get my camera out and I'll record parts of it and put it together so other people can enjoy it too if they want to. I do speed it up low quite a lot because it would take a long time otherwise. So this is the last few pieces being cut, slices, to create a living hinge in the wood, which you then push down and expand to make the bowl shape. I didn't record the whole process of putting it together, but I've got some photographs coming up which show how these little holes and gaps here and there are used. Very simple design, these little cutouts in the middle here. You use there's 2 small pieces of wood which are also cut out to hold it down onto the frame, onto the legs, which you'll see. And here are all the little slices being put into the wood, which help it to expand. And there's a lot of this Living Hinge designs on the Glowforge catalogue. And there's a coffee cup holder, and I've already made a iPad stand with a Living Hinge. This is something I'd not seen before, so I thought I definitely want to make one. And I think I'll try and design my own one eventually, so I can mass produce it and sell it on my Folksy store. I'm going to go with Folksy instead of Etsy, but they're UK based, but they still work worldwide, and hopefully are growing to be just as big as Etsy one day. And that store will be coming soon. But you see here how the bowl goes together very easily. It looks fantastic. I covered it with some beeswax afterwards to give it some protection, and it houses my coffee pods perfectly and sits lovely next to my coffee machine. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave any questions and comments down below. Speak soon.